Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Slow English Podcast. Here we learn step by step. Here we take it easy. Here we enjoy the journey. Take a deep breath. Relax. Smile. You are in the right place. Today we will talk about how to describe your daily routine. Not just short phrases, but full ideas. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the afternoon? What is your evening routine like? By the end of this episode, you will be able to describe your day in clear English. Let's take an example. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" You can say, "I woke up early. I went to the market. I bought fresh vegetables. In the evening, I sat with my family and drank tea." This is a full conversation. So when you don't know what to say, start with your day. What time did you wake up? What did you eat? Where did you go? Who did you meet? How did you feel? These are good questions. They help you remember words. They help you make full sentences. Okay, let's begin with the morning. Morning sets the mood for the day. It gives you energy. It is the perfect time to practice English. Even for a few minutes. Now, repeat after me slowly. I usually wake up at 6. Sometimes I wake up earlier. If I sleep late, I feel tired. I stretch my arms and legs. I sit up and get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. It helps me feel fresh. I comb my hair in front of the mirror. I smile at myself and say, "Today will be a good day." Excellent. You are doing great. Then I go to the kitchen. I boil water for tea. I make tea with mint. Sometimes I prepare coffee. I eat bread with cheese or olives. Sometimes I eat dates with milk. This is a healthy breakfast. I thank Allah for the food. After breakfast, I sit for a few minutes. I read few pages from a book. Sometimes I open the Quran and read a short surah. Sometimes I check the news. I try not to spend too much time on my phone. Before I leave the house, I check my phone. I look at the time. I read my messages. I take my keys and my bag. I check if I need my notebook or a pen. I put on my shoes. And then I go out. Great work today. You practiced new words and full sentences. You are not just studying English. You are using it. Keep practicing your daily routine until it feels easy. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.